Let's see it in action. We'll start by creating our first whiteboard. We can add a name, description, and labels to make it more easy to find later for you and others. You can define different default access roles and later assign roles to individual users. You can add a base filter for the whiteboard, like project equals advanced charts, so all reports will only include data from this project. With the whiteboard created, let's add our first report, with only a drag and drop, as you can see. Let's configure this pie chart so that it shows us who is resolving more bugs. In this case, we'll just select bug as the type and closed as the status. Clicking on Next, we'll select Assignee as the statistic type and save. Great! With this chart, we know who historically solved more bugs and our team. Now let's add some context to these bugs by combining it with a list. Just open the report selector and select the Issue List report. First, we'll add the same filters to match the pie charts. On the Fields section, we'll add the created field to understand how far back they go and save it. We improve it by stretching the list horizontally and therefore removing the scroll bar at the bottom. It has improved, but we can still make it better by adding borders and resizing the entire list. We can see on the last page that it has fairly old bugs. It would be nice to have the option to display only recent bugs. We'll add a quick filter to bring us only the recent bugs. By dragging it to Whiteboard, it will open its configuration. We'll click on More and find the Resolved field. In this case, let's consider recent bugs all resolved in the last 2 weeks. We'll name it Recently Resolved. Now, we just need to connect the filter to reports with drag and drop, and that's it. We have finished building this whiteboard, and switching to the presentation mode, we can activate and deactivate the filter. This is only a small example of what you can do in whiteboard reports.